Hello students, so today I am going to explain you the formula for areas of sector and segment of circle. So here this is the most important concept of 10th standard from the point of scoring. So here there is no need to derive the formula, just you have to use apply the formula directly to the given example. So area of sector and segment of circle we will see. So let us take the circle with center O, and the meaning of sector you should know. So sector, it is a portion of circle, or it is a part of circle bounded by two radii. So let us take the radii to be here OA and OB. So these are the radii and the corresponding arc. So the corresponding arc is what? Here AB, but for more confirmation I'll take this as what? APB. So this is the arc and these are the corresponding radii, and so the sector, it is a part of a circle which is bounded by two radii and the joining arc, that is what? Corresponding arc APB. So this shaded part is called as what? Sector of circle. So in previous classes you have studied how to find out the area of full circle. Now you have to focus on finding the area of sector. So sometimes you need to find out the area of only the required portion, only this portion. So the formula is area of sector of circle. So the formula, there is slight difference. So area of a circle, because sector is a part of circle, area of circle will take what? Pi square, isn't it? But we have the sector, and when we have the sector, there is opening between the two radii, isn't it? So this opening, there is formation of angle. So let us take that angle as what? Theta. So I'll write that angle as what? Theta here. So this angle AOB, will take this as what? Theta. When we take this theta, what you have to do? This pi square, when we are going to take the sector of circle, just write the area of circle into, if you complete from this OA, if you start and if you complete one circle, the full complete angle is what? 360. Out of 360 degree, how much is the angle between the radii? So that theta you have to take. So theta, here theta is what? Angle of sector. It is also called as what? Angle of sector of circle. Or how the angle of sector is formed? It is formed between the two radii. So this is a formula for area of sector of circle. Now there is one more formula, that is what? Length of an arc of a sector of angle theta. Because why it is given? Just they are not given length of arc, because arc are formed between the different radii. So the length of an arc of a sector, the corresponding sector arc, we are going to find out the length. So length of an arc, so let us take APB of sector of angle theta. So only this corresponding length we have to find out. So the formula is here. So you can see this length is nothing but what? Part of perimeter, isn't it? Or part of circumference of circle. So 2 pi r, we don't want complete, we just want only this part. So length, it is a part of perimeter or the circumference. So I wrote here 2 pi r, like how we are wrote here the area of sector of circle. So this into, just because of this angle we are having this arc, isn't it? So out of 360, how much the angle of sector, that you have to write. So this will give the length of particular or the specific arc of a sector of a given circle. So now the third you have to learn here is what? The area of segment. Segment, it means, so here segment I'll show you here differently. Let us take this segment, one more sector we will take. Let us take one more sector. I have named this as P here, so I'll name here X and Y. So this is a segment formed by radii OY and XY, and let us name this as what? Z. So this is an arc XZY corresponding to this arc. and let us take this is theta, some different angle. So sometimes they will ask you to find out the segment area. So what is a segment? Segment, it is a portion, or it is also the part of circle formed or the bonded by the chord. So xy is a chord and the corresponding arc. So this arc is between this chord and points of the chord. So this portion, the dotted portion, is called as what? Segment. So segment is formed by chord and the corresponding arc. Sector is formed by the two radii and corresponding arc. So how we are going to find out? We don't have the direct formula for this. So what you have to do? Join this endpoints of segment with the center, so that you will get here one sector, isn't it? Sector is what? OXZY. OXZY, it is a sector. So you want to find out the area of this segment. Then what you do? You have to find out the area of sector, subtract the area with, this is extra, we don't want this triangle area. So from this full sector area, subtract the area of this triangle XOY. So that will give the area of the segment XYZ. So here therefore area of segment. So which segment we have taken here? XZY or XYZ you can take, you can read like this. That is equals to area of sector. So what is that sector? The sector we have here XOZY. So this sector area XOYZ, this sector area, we have to subtract the area of triangle XOY. So when you subtract this full sector area and the triangle area, you will get the area of segment XYZ. So these three formulas you have to remember, but basically you have to remember these two formulas. There's slight difference. Area of sector is a part of circle, so pi square into out of 360 degree, how much is the theta or the angle of sector. Length of arc, so length of arc is a part of perimeter, so write perimeter formula into 360, out of 360 how much is the theta, that you have to write. Next, area of segment, from the sector area the corresponding triangle area subtract, you will get the area of segment. So I hope you understood this. Now we will take here one example so that you will understand. So the question given is find the area of segment of circle with radius 14 cm. Why I have taken this example? Because here you will learn how to find the area of sector segment and how you are going to use the formula of length of an arc. So find the area of segment of a circle with radius 14 cm. Figure is given. If the length of corresponding arc APB. So this is corresponding arc APB. Even the length of the arc you can show with the small letter L. So length of a arc, corresponding arc, it is given 22 cm. First we will write down the given things. So radius it is given 14 cm, and you can see here the angle of sector, it is given. Sector is formed by the radii OA and OB. So it is 90 degree. And length of the arc, so L, that is length of the arc, it is given 22 cm. You can see here APB. I'll show that with L. So to find out the area of segment, we should find out the area of sector. So here we need what? Area of sector, that is pi square into theta upon 360 degree. So theta it is given 90 degree. Sometimes they may not give the theta. That time using the length of an arc of sector, this formula you have to use to find out the theta. Because length of the arc 22 is given here. So 2 we know, pi is 22 by 7, r is 14, 360 we know, only theta is unknown. So you can find out the theta. So here we will find out 22 by 7 into r is 14 into 14, theta is 90 upon 360 degree. So find out this. 7 2s are 22 into 14 into 2 into 9 1s are 9 4s are, so divide with 4. So 2 1s are, 2 2s are, so 22, 2 1s are, 2 11s are, 11 into 14. If we do, we will get that area of sector as 154 centimeter square. So now we'll find out the area of this triangle, because to find out the area of segment from the sector area, you have to subtract the area of triangle. So area of triangle, that is AOB. So formula of area of triangle is what? Half base into height. So as it is right angle triangle, we will take OB as base, that is 14 centimeter. In right angle triangle, the side which are not hypotenuse, that is OA and OB. Among these, we can take any one as a height, because height is nothing but the perpendicular to the another side. So this is what? Perpendicular. So we can take OA as a height. So half into base is OB I'll take, and height is OA. So that is half into OB is 14, OA is 14. So 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So you'll get here, this is 2 7s are, 2 1s are, 2 7s are. So 7 into 1 is 7, 7 14s are, or 14 7s are is 98. So area we are measuring here in centimeter square. Now area of sector you got, that is OAPB, and area of AOB. So from the sector area, subtract the area of triangle, you will get the area of segment, that is APB area will get. Therefore, area of segment is equals to area of sector. How much you got? 154 minus area of this triangle, that is 98. So I am not writing here unit, that is centimeter square, because finally I am going to write the unit. So 154 minus 98 is 56, and here I'll directly write the unit, that is centimeter square. So here mainly you have to remember these three formula. So this formula is also important. When theta is not given, the length of arc of an sector it is given, that time you can find out the theta here.